Morning everyone, myself Arnab Bhardwaj. Today my topic is the value of time. As we all know, the value of time is the most important thing and the most measurable thing in the world. The value of time is more than the value of money. The money we spend, we can earn it back in any other day, but the time we spend, that can never be returned or can never be earned on any day in the life. We always make sure that we spending our time in a most precious thing in our life to improve our skills or to improve our balance in the life. We do not spend our time on a useless things that are making our life useless, and we spend our time at every single second on the precious things that are improving our life day by day on a daily basis. And we should set our routine on the daily basis that we are not spending our time on useless things, in not making all the time at playing and not indulging in the any other activities like playing games or any other topic. Or we should reduce our screen time and we focus on the studies and to improve our skills that will help on our career, to improve our skills and to improve our growth in a life. So we often listen that all saying that the time will only stay for whom? For them who value the time more than the anything else. The time will never be returned for anything, for anyone. Once it is gone for everyone and can never be replaced and can never be returned for anyone. Either he is the Prime Minister of India or either he is the powerful person of the world. Who do not value the power of time. The time will never value him. Without the time, we cannot spend our day in a systematic way. The God has given us the most precious thing in a daily routine life or in the world. Without time, we have no systematic schedule and no day or no night. Without time, with the value of time, we can spend our day in a systematic way. So it's all about my topic. Thank you for listening me.